All right, so here's the tree. It sets back pretty hard on me. Property line is right over here. We're gonna try to get it that direction over there because the skid trail is that way. It's downhill. Just makes the most sense. Running a ported 585 Husky. Been trying this all out.